Hi, dear friends. This is Wasimais. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to show you what I'm doing because I started this early this morning and trying to check which decks I want to work with. And I'm feeling kind of like my passion for cards has kind of diminished during the summer because I was always out. I didn't want to spend much time inside. So now I'm getting back to that cocooning mode for the for the autumn and winter, and I got out some of the cards that I wanted to work with. I have more. I have more. But I don't have enough place for on the table. And the way I wanted to work with the cards is to I brought out my books, Tarot and Challenge for Mystic Souls and for Busy Souls. I've been kind of wanting to go back to some of the challenges and also to journaling, which I really, really love doing, whether early in the morning or late before I go to sleep. And the fact of spending some time with ourselves and with the cards is just kind of nourishes our soul and also allows it to speak and to tell us where we need to go and what we need to avoid. So so here is where I am now, and to help me with this all this practice, and I have more cards. Really, I have really a lot. Um, but I was thinking about using many cards. As you know, I like using many cards for the same question because I'm very sensitive to colors and the combinations and the repetitions, and it's one way of how I do readings. So in order to help me with the question of what should I use at the moment, I got out my so I can pick cards for that, but I got out some of like my tools. So I have my pendulum. I have other cards that I didn't like I didn't get out, of course, but I will test that. So the question is, which decks should I use or would be good for me to use for this season, for the autumn season? So let's see what the pendulum. All right, so I'm getting this one uh, um, to use. Okay, so let's see where it goes. I don't know if you see, but it's really pointing to some of these decks. So I'm just gonna get like a confirmation of yeah. Yeah, you see, like there is something about these four combinations, and I was really putting them together and thinking like, oh my God, these would be really good together. So there is something about these four together. Okay, let's move on. All right, what about this side here? Which side is the pendulum going? I don't know if you're seeing, but it's pointing somewhere around. Okay, which decks? Um, okay, let's see. It's not moving much. Okay, what about these ones? There's something here. Okay, I feel like my hand's going down around here. Okay. I don't know if you see, but there is something about. Okay, so probably it's the Arthurian. Is it the Arthurian? Is it the mirror? Yes. Anyway, there's something around here. So it feels like the mirror, and probably the Arthurian will be kind of in the pack. Okay. What about this side? We didn't see this side. What about this side? Oh my. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, be specific. I don't know if you are seeing, but it's pointing to this pack here. Okay, which one? Yeah, I'm feeling like the slow tire will be really really good to use for this season. I love the blood moon by the way, but it looks like this one, the Arthurian, and maybe the mirror, and we have this four combo. But we didn't finish. I still have some cards around. All right, which decks can I use for this season, autumn season? Let's see. Yeah, I'm feeling it's going this side. Okay. Which deck? Okay, it looks like energy archaeology. Is there something else? Let's just confirm. Yeah, it's pointing out to this one. All right. Is there another one? No, it's bringing me back to this one. Okay, so um, is there another deck? Of course, there are many. Is there another deck that I need to check and use for this autumn season? Yeah, yeah, saying yes, 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 yes. So, thank you for sharing my obsession with cards for this morning or afternoon. But yeah, this is one way of choosing which decks if you have plenty. I'm a collector and I assume it and I love it. And I'm feeling very grateful for being a collector, for having this abundance of cards and having also the capacity and ability to choose between different cards. And you know what? This morning I was meditating over this concept of um, I have the right to enjoy the abundance that has been put in my way. I have the right to enjoy abundance. And I think this is one of the ways to um, benefit from the collection we have. We don't have to keep them hidden or use just once a while. We have to get them out to see them, to see what they have to share, to see the beauty, because I really see them all as museums. And when you visit a museum, you don't say, oh, I don't want to visit a museum because, I maybe shouldn't or shouldn't visit a museum. No, you just go and visit the museum and enjoy all the paintings and illustrations. So I'm having different museums, and we have to enjoy this. We have to get them out. So, this is the message that I was having this morning that I wanted to share. So, let me know what are your decks for the season and how did you choose them? And maybe, I don't know, do you use the pendulum? Do you use the cards? And have a nice, nice day.